We're in front of an interesting Bravia Mobil. Let's check. What's this? It's actual, let's go to the technical data, 600 version. Actually, they're saying TGE, but it's actually obviously a Fiat Ducato. And it's called the Swan 636. With the massive price starting from 70,000. This is the 74,917. And we shall be looking inside with a great pop-up roof on the top. So I will be getting firstly on the back so we can understand. Oh, it's a longitudinal bed. Pretty great design, so you can actually fold it up for a better space. And from the widest part we have around 1.895, and from this side 1.7, with a lot of cabinet space all around. And also, if we are going from this side, we shall be entering and actually checking the actual sitting area with the passenger seats and the actual pop-up roof. Also, we have two cabinets from this side, and also they left this over part so we have more space. Standard Peugeot Ducato chassis, two burner stoves and one sink, 5 cabinets down there, and a Dometic fridge, tall, pretty big. Also getting 4 bigger cabinets in the upper part and another cabinet straight down there. And also and also just 1 second, I will get out immediately. There is a shower unit right here and a small sink with a Thetford swivel cassette toilet. Pretty nice. And I will be getting outside for this Bravia Swan 636. Oops, sorry.